Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. And guys, I have a request for you that whenever you are going through a question, do make sure that you reading about it, about that topic particularly. And because there is always subjectivity in the questions, okay, I've tried to come up with the answers which are more and more which are very accurate. But still, if you read it more, you will get better clarity on the subject also, and it will be better for you. Okay, so you cannot expect the same question appearing in your exam. Okay, so let's get started. So which of the following animals is known for using rocks to crack open shellfish or help hard shelled prey? Right, so you have options now here: capuchin monkey, B sea otter, C arctic fox, and D African elephant. Right, so you know the drill. You have to pause and you have to read the question, you have to come up with an answer, and write your answer in the comment section, and then see if it is correct or not, and write your score as well, guys. Participation is very very important. Answer is B, sea otter, as you can see in the picture. So sea otters are known for using rocks as tools to crack open shellfish or hard-shelled prey. Okay, such prey can be clams, crabs, and sea urchins. So they basically float on their backs in the water, and they use their chest as a table to hold the prey. Okay, and then they use a rock to crack it open. Okay, so these shows that they are remarkably intelligent. Okay. So now second MCQ, which of the following products raises greater environmental concerns due to their widespread use of hydrofluorocarbons as propellants or blowing agents? So let's see the answer now. The options: aerosol sprays, foam products, C refrigerators and air conditioners, and D plastic water bottles. So guys, like all of these maybe look similar, how do I say, looks correct to you, all these options, but there is only one option which is more and more which is most appropriate. Okay, so you have to choose that answer here. So let's see the answer. It is obviously aerosol spray, because it needs propellants or blowing agents, and for that it uses hydrofluorocarbon. So as we already know, and I've taught also in my environment classes, that HFCs have very very great global warming potential, and that's why they significantly they contribute to the climate change problems. Okay, and to tell you, HFCs are widely spread. Okay, they are used on so many things around us. There is HFCs involved. Okay, now which of the following activities are commonly discussed as potential methods for enhancing carbon sequestration in terrestrial ecosystem? So lately we are seeing more and more questions on carbon sequestration, and yeah, it's a good thing also, because we need to work more upon carbon sequestration. So options, let's see: construction of offshore wind farms, B cultivation of seaweed farms, C spreading biochar on agricultural soils, D deploying ocean fertilization techniques. Okay, so now let us see the answer for this question. Yeah, so answer is C. So spreading biochar on agricultural land is a method which involves application of charred organic matter to soil. Okay, and this enhances soil fertility, water retention, and carbon storage. And this is a common activity. Okay, it is discussed as a potential method for enhancing carbon sequestration in terrestrial ecosystems, and also it can mitigate climate change, as you can see here. Right. Fourth MCQ, which of the following statements regarding the recycling of carbon fibers is accurate? Okay, so there has been question on carbon fibers in 2023 prelims. Okay, so something related to that I have incorporated here, not exactly that question obviously. Options are: A, carbon fibers are commonly recycled in the manufacturing process of automobiles and aircraft components. B, once the carbon fibers are used, they can be easily recycled and repurposed, for various applications. C, carbon fibers once incorporated into products pose significant challenges for recycling due to their complex composition and processing requirements. D, carbon fibers are biodegradable materials and naturally decompose over time, eliminating the need for recycling. So which of these options are correct? let us see, are more accurate. So let's see the answer. So it is C actually. So carbon fibers are not recyclable. Okay, sorry, are not you can say biodegradable. Okay, so they are often used in manufacturing of automobiles and aircrafts due to their lightweight and high strength properties. But these are incorporated into products. Once they are incorporated into products, they present challenge for recycling because their structures are very complex, their composition is very complex, and it is difficult to separate from other materials also, and recycling is really not as straightforward, because of this complexity. And this is the challenge. It significantly, it is a it poses a difficulty on when it cannot be recycled properly. So how to dispose it? So waste management and environmental sustainability efforts are getting challenged because of carbon fiber. Now the fifth MCQ. So which of the following statements accurately reflects the environmental impact of mercury pollution? Options are: mercury pollution primarily originates from industrial activities such as gold mining and coal-based thermal power plants. B. Mercury pollution poses no significant risk to human health or the environment. C. There is a known safe level of exposure to mercury allowing for its regulated use in various industrial processes. And D. Mercury pollution is a minor concern and does not warrant significant attention or mitigation efforts. So which of these options you think is the correct, or more accurate, most accurate? So now let's see. So gold based mining and coal based thermal power plants, okay, these are the significant sources of mercury pollution, and they release mercury into the environment through various processes, and this pollution poses significant risk to the human health. So by the way, there are conventions also on mercury pollution, and mercury is a significant risk to the human life. Okay, so it really poses lots of threat to the environment and to the human health, human and other organisms as well. Okay, as there is no known safe level of exposure to mercury. Okay, so as a result, efforts to reduce mercury emissions from this activities are crucial for environmental protection and public health. So with this we have completed today's MCQ. We'll continue with other set of MCQs, and then we will meet there. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Thank you.